In this video, let's take a look at the second parameter that can be passed to the mapDispatchToProps function. In the last video, we learned that the second parameter to mapStateToProps is the props that have been passed to the component. As it turns out, it is the same for mapDispatchToProps as well. So mapDispatchToProps is now a function which accepts two parameters, dispatch and ownProps. Within the function body, we can now conditionally dispatch either by cake or by ice cream based on the prop that is passed from the parent component. So similar to mapStateToProps, let's add a condition. Const dispatch function is equal to ownProps.cake, then dispatch by cake. If not, dispatch by ice cream. Finally, return an object with a property called byItem, whose value is the dispatch function. Make sure to also import byCake and byIceCream from the Redux folder at the top. Now, while exporting, the second parameter to connect is mapDispatchToProps. And because of mapDispatchToProps, the byItem function is now available as a prop in our component thanks to the connect function. Let's bind that to a button click. So button on click is going to be props.byItem and the text is byItems. And that is it. Let's head back to the browser and test this out. On the first item container, which has the cake prop, I click on the button, the number of cakes reduces. I click on the button in the second container, the number of ice creams reduces. So our logic to dispatch actions based on the prop that is sent to the component is working perfectly fine. The last thing I want to point out is how to use the connect function if you only want to dispatch actions but not subscribe to the state changes in the store. So you will come across scenarios where you define mapDispatchToProps but not mapStateToProps. In that case, you will need to pass null as your first argument to connect. So null, comma, mapDispatchToProps. Alright, those were some of the minor details I wanted to discuss. In the next video, let's take a look at using async actions in React and Redux. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.